Hello there, sleepyhead. Look way up there in the sky. Do you see the moon? It's giving a big stretchy yawn because the nighttime is finally here. Let's make sure you are ready. Are you all tucked into your comfy bed right now? If you are, reach up and tap your head. Tap, tap, tap. Good job. Now look right next to you. Give mommy or daddy a great big high five. Awesome. You have your warm blankets and your soft pillows. But before we close our eyes, we have one final, very special thing to do. We are going to make a dua. A dua is just a special, quiet way for us to talk to Allah before we sleep. We've brushed our teeth and tucked in our toes. Saying our dua together is how we finish our routine and get ready for a quiet night. First, we want to say thank you to Allah for such a fun day of playing and learning. We say, Alhamdulillah. Now it's your turn. Can you say Alhamdulillah? Wonderful. Now let's get our hands ready. Bring your hands together right in front of you. Open them up wide, just like you are reading a tiny little book. This is a drawing of children learning their prayers together. See how they hold their hands open like a book? You're doing it exactly like they are. Okay, now take those open book hands, close them up, and slide them softly right under your cheek. Just like a squishy, comfortable pillow. With our heads resting on our hands like this, we are finally still. Now that we are in our quiet place, we are ready for our sleepy words. Our sleepy dua starts with a beautiful word. Listen closely. Bismika. Try it with me. Bismika. One more time. Bismika. Great job. Next we say Allahumma. That means, O Allah. Let's hear you say it. Allahumma. You've got it. And the last part is Amutu wa Ahya. That means we go to sleep and we wake up, all with Allah's name. This shows the three parts of our dua. They fit together like a puzzle. Bismika.
Allahumma Amutu wa Ahya. Let's play a game. I'll start the words and you shout the very last piece. Ready? Bismika, Allahumma Amutu wa Ahya. Yes, you did it. When you say those special words, it's like a warm, invisible hug from Allah that stays with you all night long. Shh, the playtime is over, and now it is time for quiet. The moon is up, the day is done. We had our play, we had our fun. We tuck right in and close our eyes, waiting for the morning skies. We whisper softly, Bismika, Allahumma, Amutu wa Ahya. Give mommy or daddy one last big squeezy hug. Okay, close those heavy eyes. The dua we just learned will stay right here with you. It will keep you protected and snuggly until the morning sun wakes up. Sweet dreams.